What makes a product succeed in the market? The answer lies in understanding the marketing mix. This video delves into the 7 elements that form the backbone of any successful marketing strategy. The aim is to grasp the 7 elements of the marketing mix. These elements are interconnected and crucial for market success. Digital and social media marketing also play roles in each element. This understanding aids in crafting effective marketing strategies. Let's explore how each element contributes to the whole. The product element focuses on what the company offers. It includes design, features, quality, branding, and packaging. For example, Apple offers high-quality products with distinctive branding. The right product meets customer needs. Ensuring market success, product strategies vary across the product lifecycle. Pricing strategies are crucial as they affect demand and profitability. Penetration pricing sets a low price to gain market share. Skimming sets a high price initially to maximize profits. Prices reflect perceived value and offset production costs. Effective pricing strategies align with business objectives. Place covers distribution channels and methods to deliver products. It ensures availability where and when needed. Companies use various channels like direct sales and online stores. Effective distribution enhances customer satisfaction. It involves strategic decisions about locations and logistics. Promotion involves activities that communicate product features and benefits. Advertising, public relations, and sales promotions are key. These activities persuade customers to purchase. Promotion strategies align with pricing and distribution. They aim to increase market share and respond to competition. People refer to personnel involved in product delivery and customer interaction. Their skills impact customer satisfaction and experience. Training customer service staff is crucial. People underpin customer relationships, adding value to transactions. They represent the business and build its reputation. Process involves activities that deliver the product to the customer. It ensures efficiency and quality in service delivery. Order processing and customer feedback mechanisms are key. Efficient processes enhance customer satisfaction. They ensure a smooth customer experience from purchase to after-sales service. Physical evidence includes tangible aspects that help customers evaluate products. This includes store ambiance, brochures, and online presence. High-quality branding supports premium pricing strategies. Physical evidence reinforces brand identity. It enhances the customer's evaluation and purchase decision. Each marketing mix element is interconnected. Changes in one can affect others. For example, product changes can influence pricing and distribution. Aligning elements creates a cohesive strategy. This ensures the marketing mix effectively supports business objectives. Dove soap is known for its moisturizing properties. It uses premium pricing to reflect quality. Dove's extensive distribution network ensures availability. Promotion focuses on brand values like real beauty. Efficient processes maintain product quality and customer satisfaction. ATHE alarms offer comprehensive security systems. Pricing reflects high value, covering advanced technology costs. Distribution through direct channels ensures seamless customer experience. Promotion reassures customers about security. Efficient processes enhance service delivery and customer satisfaction. Adjusting packaging impacts all marketing mix elements. Enhanced packaging can alter perceived quality. It affects pricing, distribution, and promotion strategies. Packaging changes may require process adjustments. Staff training ensures effective communication of packaging benefits. Applying the marketing mix involves tailoring the 7 elements. Businesses align elements with target market needs. This enhances customer satisfaction and brand loyalty. Strategic management of each element achieves business objectives. Changes in one element can impact others, requiring integrated strategies. Product development focuses on meeting customer needs. Decisions involve features, quality, branding, and packaging. Companies like Apple emphasize innovative design. Unique benefits differentiate products from competitors. Effective design supports brand identity and market success. Pricing reflects perceived value and covers costs. Strategies vary based on market conditions and objectives. Competitive pricing attracts a broad customer base. Dynamic pricing adjusts prices based on demand. Effective pricing supports profit margins and business goals. Distribution ensures product accessibility. Channels include physical locations and online platforms. Strategic location selection enhances market reach. Partnerships with intermediaries expand distribution. Effective channels support customer convenience and satisfaction. Promotion informs, persuades, and reminds customers. Advertising, sales promotions, and public relations are key. Campaigns maintain brand visibility and engagement. Strategies align with pricing and distribution. Effective promotion supports market share and competition response. Employee skills impact customer experience. Training ensures positive interactions and satisfaction. Motivated staff enhance brand reputation. Customer service supports sales and marketing processes. Effective interaction builds customer loyalty and trust. Efficient processes ensure effective service delivery. This includes order processing and after-sales service. Streamlined processes meet customer expectations. Technology supports quick and accurate fulfillment. Effective delivery enhances customer satisfaction and loyalty. Physical evidence includes the service environment and tangible items. These help customers evaluate products. A clean, modern environment reinforces brand image. Tangible cues support customer experience and perception. Effective evidence enhances product evaluation and desirability. In conclusion, understanding the elements of the marketing mix is essential for creating effective strategies that meet customer needs and support business success. The marketing mix, commonly known as the 4 Ps: product, price, place, and promotion, provides a structured approach for developing and delivering value to the target market. By analyzing and balancing each element, organizations can design offerings that attract customers, differentiate from competitors, and achieve strategic goals. A strong grasp of the marketing mix forms the foundation for successful marketing planning and implementation. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact us via email or WhatsApp at 074843616888.